deluxe room in Shangri-La, Guilin. Let's show you the wardrobe first. Romantic swan with rose petals.
Wow, the view! And there's a lot going on.
I can't believe I'm eating rabbit. But it's so good!
Look where this girl is going.
Lao Mu Ji Tang Mian, your mother's chicken soup. Oh, it smells so good! Oh, the Shangri-La perfume.
Oh, we are here.
We're here! What an upgrade!
好，是在5楼层对面左手边。
We are finally here at the highlight of our trip. This is the reason why we came to China in the first place. Guilin Shangri-La. Look at how grand it is. I'm looking forward to swimming, to gym, to breakfast buffet.
You wanna cry already? Wow, the view!
No, I said let's come down first.
Wow, the view behind. Okay.
Yeah, the
I
view.
thought-
I'm like stop. I'm like low key, like controlling.
Okay, let's
myself.
go out.
Now time for a proper room tour for our deluxe room in Shangri-La, Guilin. Let's start with the bedroom. Look at this bed! This is humongous! Humongous! Okay, we have this huge bed with a pillow menu. We have 4 pillows. That looks very tiny on this bed. Okay, long leather bed head with a huge calligraphy painting in the backdrop. Wow! And if you look at the light, it's a bit mix of, I would say, Venetian style. Okay, there is a platform here to put your stuff, as well as a platform for your precious luggage with a soft cushion. We indicated that it's our 2nd vlogging anniversary. The staff decorated this romantic swan with rose petals. They also gave us wine, 2 glasses with a bottle of Chile wine. They provided water, a kettle, squeaky clean. Wow, this is cleaner than the one at home.
Don't let our friends hear that.
They also have a mini fridge here. These are not complimentary, but this means that we get to store our drinks if we actually buy some. Okay, moving on. We have this working desk, a very big working desk made of quality, very solid wood. I don't know what kind of wood, but I like its curves with leather surface. Wow, feels so atas. With a Shangri-La pen. Bringing it home. Over here, we have the sitting area. So cozy, this sofa. It's perfect for 2 of us. Yeah, and they also provided us welcome fruits. Is this really a mango? It's so puny.
It's just the size of your palm. So cute.
It's very thoughtful of them to give us these fruits. Let me show you the view. Wow. Our room overlooks the swimming pool as well as the open field. Behind this field, there is the Li River, Lijiang, the river of Guilin. And yeah, look at the backdrop, mountains. With the sunset. Wow. Okay, let's show you the toilet. I'm so happy. Oh, let's show you the wardrobe first. What's in the wardrobe? Many hangers, 2 bathrobes. Nice and plush. They also have room shoes, 2 pairs, an umbrella, ironing board, and an iron. Time to show you the toilet. Okay, over here we walk straight into the vanity. There is very ample space on the sides. The sink is Toto brand. There are amenities and 2 glasses. Oh look, they have a magnifying mirror. The toilet bowl is also from Toto. We have a shower, a closed shower with the toiletries provided. Oh, there's no rain shower.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay. But They have a separate bathtub. It's actually very big. It's bigger than the one at home. Wow. And everything is like spotless. Look at the silicone, it's like white. The hair dryer is here. Ooh! Wait, then how do I on it? Okay, if I on it and on it. Okay. If I off it, doesn't work. Just use this. So overall, I love the theme of this room. The dark wood elements with gold color just elevates the whole place. Anyway, the reason why we booked a room in Shangri-La is because we had points to redeem from our wedding few years back. So they were expiring and we didn't want to redeem it in Singapore because we can only redeem one night there, which is like pathetic. Over here in Guilin, we can redeem 4 nights with breakfast buffet every day. And it's also an excuse for holiday. The time now is 6:30, so it's dinner time. We'll probably go out and get some food, snacks maybe after our stay in the inns in Zhengyang and Furong. We need some time to relax and adjust back to city life. So let us enjoy tonight in this hot, beautiful room with some snacks and beer.
Sure. We are now in the downtown area. Now it's a Friday night and there's a lot going on. All the street food stalls, balloons, and there's so much shopping to do around here.
So many shoppings. We see familiar brands here like Haiti, Yishan, Mac, and Chagi.
Excited?
Okay, we said to come here and like have a quick dinner and go back. I think it'll be hard.
You wanna try?
We got rabbit thigh. It's actually quite big. I don't know how this is gonna taste. This is our first time trying rabbit meat.
Your first time.
You tried it before?
I tried it in Andorra.
How is it?
It's like chicken, it's fine.
Oh, bone-in rabbit meat.
Hot.
It's okay. It's just like meat, like chicken. I can't believe I'm eating rabbit. But the flavor is good.
Wow, the flavoring is so strong on this. It's too salty.
This make it in China though.
Yeah. I need water now. Your one?
And dessert.
Already?
No, I mean dessert. I try for dessert. The meat is actually very soft and succulent. I'm quite enjoying it.
Hands are getting full.
Hands are full already. Finish this first.
Yeah.
It's really very big. For 3 Sing dollars.
Yeah, very good.
正宗烤冷面 traditional barbecued cold noodles. It's chewy. It tastes a little sour. I don't really taste anything other than the sourness. Let me try the one with the sausage. Look at it. It's piping hot. It's a bit meh. I thought it would be nicer. But for $2, I mean it's shook.
It's just very chewy.
Don't know what you're eating, right?
Yeah, fills your tummy.
Okay.
Go. Nice.
Yay, our snack for later. Now we are going back to collect our cheese. Grilled mozzarella cube drizzled with condensed milk. It's a party in my mouth. I'll show you. Look at how soft it is on the inside. On the outside, there is a hardened grilled layer. Everything just hugs so well together. This is 15 yuan, 3 SGD, so it's quite pricey for 6 pieces. But it's so good!
Look where this girl is going.
It looks so China. I still like this. It's about $40.
It's still quite expensive for this.
This is expensive because it's an unknown brand to us.
Fried milk.
Everything fried just tastes better. Oh, what's that? This one is an
Yeah,
neck duck head with the beak included. And oh my god.
the best part.
In every country, you just gotta step into Miniso.
They sell this in Miniso.
I'm looking for the penguin. I don't have leh. It's hugging me. Lao Mu Ji Tang Mian, your mother's chicken soup.
After this, we're We are back from the night market. We're gonna call it a day. The peanut powder is so fine. Taste wise, it's the balance of everything they added. It's not like a peanut in your face, red bean in your face. Can you hear it? Chewy, crunchy, and not too sweet. This is $2. This is like so much mochi. But I think this is too much for two of us. Oh, this is my Maggi mee. It's some ji tang mian. Seems pretty solid. When you mix it together, wow, it smells really good. Look at the color of the soup. It's like, whew, chicken broth cow. There's still so much more to show you, but that's all the time we have in this video. Stay tuned next week.
This is it.
It's so dark.
Are we under the sea? 360 view of Guilin.
It's super soft.
Tomorrow we will visit the night market in the day. Does that make sense? Smooth sheets. So smooth. How many thread count?
huge here. 2 places. Oh, the egg sell by one.
Yeah. Platform for the luggage with a cushion because your luggage needs a cushion. What happened?
Oh, the remote drop.
Oh, the remote dropped. Oh, good night.